Hey there, if you are an e-commerce business owner, have a growing catalog of products, and are struggling to get more sales, you have to know that your website can be the reason your revenue is not getting higher. Here at Webforce, we have spent lots of time designing the ideal shop site for your products, and our funnels have proven effective as we have helped all of our clients scale their businesses to new heights. Today, we want to show you a little more of the behind-the-scenes work and how easy it is to set up your very own online store using Webforce CRM. First things first, once you finish the initial funnel/landing page for your brand, you'll be directed to the Setup Dashboard page. This is where the magic happens. On your dashboard, you simply need to find Settings from the left menu and then Shop to continue editing the shop. Here, you'll find a few options and links that, when clicked, will direct you to various editable sections of the shop. To make changes, simply click on the square with the pencil to the right of each area. First on the list is the Layout page. This is where the index is displayed in the header. By selecting the header and then the pencil to edit it, you can make changes. You can also alter all of the links in the header using the menu that appears on the right. And that's not all. You can also add additional links for upsells, special offers, or any other funnel you like. Just select the appropriate links for each section and click Publish in the top right corner to save. Every page of the store will have the header, so it's important to get it right. To view the website in real time after it has been published, simply click on this icon. Going back to the editor will let you make any adjustments you require. But don't forget to click Publish each time you make changes. Once your shop is ready, you can start selling right away. You can immediately go back to the editor and make any necessary alterations or button additions. To check the flow of your shop, just visit each section, choose a product, and add it to the cart. The sidebar will open, allowing the cart to display each item that has been chosen before moving to the checkout. And there you have it. Using our shop editor is a breeze. We sincerely hope that this tutorial was useful. Good luck with your new online store. Thanks for watching. Get started now. Don't wait to start building your shop funnel. Schedule a demo with one of our experts today. We'll show you how our platform works and answer any questions you may have. With our easy-to-use platform and powerful features, you'll be able to optimize your sales process and grow your business in no time.